Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about the new chapter, some neighboring countries of India. Okay, so let's start. Some neighboring countries of India are Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And Nepal and Bhutan, China is located in the northern portions of India. Bangladesh and Myanmar located in the eastern portions of India. Sri Lanka, Maldives are located in the southern portions of India, and Pakistan, Afghanistan located in the northwest portions of India. Okay, and these neighboring countries are related with India with political, cultural, and ethnic relationship. Okay, and all these countries, including India, lie in the southern part of Asia. Okay, and India occupy the central locations. Okay, and here India together with all neighboring countries form the Indian subcontinent. Okay, and here Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan and Afghanistan share their borders with Indian landmass. Okay, acha, next Bangladesh is surrounded by Indian territory on three sides. Two other countries like Nepal and Bhutan are also almost completely bounded by Indian landmasses. Okay, and these two neighboring countries do not have the seaport, so they conduct their foreign trades through Kolkata port. Okay, and India also carries out her trade by the sea way with Sri Lanka and Maldives. India and Sri Lanka separated by the Palk Strait. Okay. Now we discuss about the factor which is contributing to the maintenance of good relationship of India with the neighboring countries. Okay. First is socio-economic factor. India share identical geographical locations and environment with the all neighbors. A good relationship should be maintained between India and the adjacent countries for attaining a socio-economic harmony. Okay. Next point is political factor. India needs to maintain good relationship with her neighbors for protecting herself from the influence from these neighboring countries, and also to minimize her expenditure for the defense of the country. Number 3 point, that is economic factors. Very important factor. India being a progressing industrialized country has several industry, so there is a great demand for the diversity raw materials. Some of these raw materials need to be imported and finished product are to be exported. So the neighboring countries both supply raw materials to and purchase the finished product from India. So the good relationship need to be maintained. Okay, and the last point is India maintain cooperations with neighboring countries through the various joint projects like number 1 Indo-Bhutan Chukha hydropower project, number 2 Indo-Nepal river project. Okay, these are the main benefit for India and the Nepal and Bhutan, and the other project also are the which are actually profitable for both countries. Okay, so for the purpose of the peace and harmony, economic advancement, socio-cultural uplift, India maintain good relationship with her neighbors. Okay, next, SAARC. You have to learn about SAARC. What is that? In 1985, SAARC, that means South Asian Associations for Regional Cooperations, was established, okay, by India and her neighbors. Here, these organizations emphasize the importance of the mutual cooperations and understanding among the nations in the Indian subcontinent. Here, the members are in the SAARC. There are members are India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Afghanistan. Okay, and you know the headquarters of SAARC is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. Okay. Now we discuss about some special features about our neighboring country. First we discuss about Nepal. Nepal locations is 26 degree 20 minute to 30 degree 30 minute north latitude, 80 degree 15 minute north east to 88 degree 15 minute east longitude. Total area is 1,47,181 square kilometer. Capital is Kathmandu. Main language of Nepal is Nepali. Highest peak of Nepal is Mount Everest, which height is 8,848 meter. Main river of Nepal is Kaligandak. Main agricultural crops are rice, wheat, jute, maize, cotton, sugarcane, jowar, bajra, tobacco, tea, oilseed, etc. Okay. Main minerals are iron, copper, lead, graphite, mica, limestone, and gold. And main industries are paper, jute and cotton textile industry, sugar industry, leather industry, tobacco and tourism industry is the main. Okay. Main cities are Pokhara, Janakpur, Biratganj and Lumbini. Okay. Next we discuss about Bhutan. Locations 26 degree 45 minute north to 28 degree 30 minute north latitude, and longitude is 88 degree 92 minute east. Total area is 47,000 square kilometer, and its capital is Thimphu, and its main language is Dozankha. Okay, and its main highest peak Kulak Kakri is the highest peak. Its height is 7,538 meter. Main river is Manas. Main agricultural crops are wheat, maize, barley, cardamom, rice, millet, paper, apples, and orange. Main minerals are low-grade coal, gypsum, limestone, dolomite, marbles, slate, etc. And main industries are bamboo and cement, food processing industry, and hydro power stations. Okay, our main cities are Phungshuling, Paro, Punakha, etc. Okay. Next we discuss about Bangladesh. Bangladesh locations is 20 degree 35 minute north to 20 degree 45 minute north latitude, and 88 degree 30 minute east to 92 degree 45 minute east longitude. Total area is 1,48,393 area square kilometer, and its capital is Dhaka. Main language is Bengali, and highest peak is Kyokkordom, and its height is 986 meter. And main river of Bangladesh is Meghna. Main crops grow in Bangladesh are rice, jute, wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, tea, sugarcane, oilseed, rubber, tobacco, etc. And main minerals are coal, natural gas, iron ore, and limestone. Okay, and main industries are jute, paper, sugar, cotton textile industry, cement, pottery, small scale or the cottage industry, fertilizer, fishing industry, gold and silver industry. And main cities are Khulna, Chittorganj, Joshore, and Srihatta. Okay. Thank you everyone. I hope you understood. Okay. If you have any problem, please let me know. Thank you.